Kenya's central bank last week put Imperial Bank under management for 12 months after becoming aware of unsafe or unsound business conditions of the lender. All operations apart from loan repayments have been suspended.
I'm a depositor with this bank, Imperial Bank, and I heard that the bank has been put under receivership. Yeah, so I was very much worried because I knew I had some projects here and there that I was supposed to effect, and I had some workers that I needed to pay. So it was very devastating news to me.
It's the second bank in Kenya to be put under management since August, when Dubai Bank Kenya was put into receivership after liquidity problems.
There are a number of alternatives. If they find that there's a possibility of the bank being managed back into the normal operations with the help of the board of directors, I think that's the first route to be taken. Now, in the event that that is not possible, and therefore they have got to go the route of liquidation, then that also needs to be determined pretty quickly, in which case then the Kenya Deposit Insurance Corporation will use the fund that it has, more or less the insurance fund that it has, to pay off the depositors that are within the insured limit, which is 100,000.
The nation also faces more broader economic challenges. Kenya's shilling has lost 14% against the dollar this year, and interest rates have climbed by 300 basis points. Last week, lawmakers summoned the finance minister to answer questions about the sharp rise in interest rates on government debt and delays in payments to civil servants. Despite fears, analysts say the current cash flow crisis in the government and banking sector will not last.
It's a temporary thing which should not be viewed as a picture of the economic performance of the country. Similarly, for the banking sector, what happened to Imperial Bank and Dubai Bank previously should not be seen as something that is prevalent for the whole banking sector. It's a unique thing that happened to the specific bank, and it's not a reflection of the whole industry. It is not a systemic problem.
Kenya trimmed its 2015 growth forecast to 6% from 6.5%, citing deteriorating growth outlook for economies across the world. Andrew Thompson, CCTV.